Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use Genspark, the super agent, to create any app, any project you want in just a couple of minutes. Now, without further ado, let's begin. First off, what is a super agent? A super agent is basically an agent that can do multiple things together. He can plan, he can execute to achieve your desired result. So with that, let's go and just sign up to Genspark. Go to Super Agent here and just write what you want. So for example, I will ask it for a Halloween themed calendar. And there we have it. We got a Halloween themed calendar. You can see the code, you can see it's thinking, you have a preview. And the good thing is that it's hosted by itself. So we can access it, give it a second to load, and there you have it. You have your own calendar, you can interact with it. This is a small example. Of course, if you have more creativity, if you have more time, you can do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.